Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for commenting, sharing and liking. I see them all. If you're seeing my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe. It's only going to take a few seconds. Click that button and that says subscribe to my channel. Also click that notification button so that you don't miss any new video I put up on my channel. So today I'm going to be beginning a series on purple lipstick. So I'm going to be creating looks you can wear with purple lipsticks, like eyeshadow looks you can wear with purple lipstick. A couple of people I know really don't like wearing purple lipsticks because they feel if it's not red or pink or nude, purple is too shouty. I don't want. But I'm going to show you today how to wear purple lipstick. So if you still have purple lipsticks in your bags or someone gifted them to you and you feel like I beg I know if you wear them, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. So I'm starting off this makeup tutorial with a secret cover concealer from Milani in golden beige, and I'm using this as an eyeshadow base. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply this all over my lid, and I went ahead to pat with my finger into my lid to avoid harsh lines. The first color I'm going to be using is from this MORPHE 3502 palette, and I'm using this with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm applying this all over my crease line. The next color I'm going to be using, I'm going to be switching colors again to a burnt orange shade. I think that's a burnt orange shade, and I'm applying that on my lid. To soften all the colors around my lid, I'm going in with this soft brown color, and I'm just using the same fluffy blending brush just to soften all the colors around my crease area. Going back with a concealer, I'm just going to be applying this just not on my crease line, just a little below my crease line. Then I'm going to be patting an eyeshadow color. I don't know why I can't find that footage where I showed the eyeshadow color I'm using, but this is a pale peach, I think. So I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply this on my eyelid. I went in ahead to use this black. It's not so black, but I'm just going to manage it for the purpose of this video. I'm applying this on the outer corners of my eyes with a smudge brush, and I'm dragging it slightly into my crease line, going in back with a blending brush to blend everything all together to avoid harsh lines. I'm going to be lining my eyes real quick. This is the Karite liquid eyeliner. Yes, I am not using gel liner this time. I think my gel liner dried up on me, so I went ahead to buy the liquid liner of my favorite gel liner at the moment. That's Karite. So that sums up for the entire eye look. There's really nothing spectacular about the eye look. It's something easy and soft because of the kind of lips you're going to be working with. Foundation routine, I have a video down on my channel. I'm going to drop the link in my description box. So I just finished applying my highlighters and setting my face, and I'm going on to the lips. Remember, this look is inspired by the purple lipstick I'm going to be wearing. So using a lip pencil from Kiss Beauty, I can't remember the name or the number, maybe it's the number 2. I'm going to be outlining my lips, so my outer corners, the outer corners of my lips, both my lower and upper lip line. Then the purple lipstick I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Okay, no, I switched it to Milani Matte Glam. Yes, Milani Cosmetics lipstick in Matte Glam. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my lips, and I'm going to be smacking to ensure there are no harsh lines from the lip pencil I used earlier. So guys, I'm just going to be smudging my eyeliner under my eyes, and I'm going to be smudging that same black eyeshadow I used for my outer crease under my eyes with the same smudge brush, just to add, just to make under my eyes a little dark. So guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next purple series video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys. Can you see my glow?